Welcome to your gorgeous renovated home that backs onto a green space. Breathtaking million-dollar views invite you to the awe-inspiring interior that features porcelain tile and an open-concept main floor. Gather with loved ones for a home-cooked meal with the Rocky Mountains and downtown Calgary in sight. Your family will love the attached spacious kitchen and center island. This area is perfect for entertaining with an easy transition to the outdoors on your patio. Host barbecues or simply unwind and appreciate the calming views of the scenery surrounding your home. The amazing landscape remains in sight upstairs in your incredible master bedroom, where you'll want to retreat to the newly renovated spa-like ensuite. This relaxing space features a soaker tub, dual sinks and a large separate shower. The expansive upper level includes 2 additional well-sized bedrooms for your children, as well as a bright full bathroom. Downstairs awaits your fantastic walkout level that provides a sprawling entertainment area, complete with a home theatre space, another private bedroom and a full bathroom. Your backyard is a beautiful oasis of lush lawn with shaded and sunny patio spaces. Stay fit with the extensive city pathways and beautiful green space just beyond your property. This home includes full lake privileges for your family to enjoy year-round, with paddle boating in the summer and ice skating and hockey in the wintertime. Live in a desirable location minutes away from quality schools and major roadways, in over 3,000 square feet of modern elegance. For more information or to view this inspiring home, please